10 things everyone needs to know to be healthy. Number 9, what do you do if you have a subluxation? So in our previous videos, we talked about how subluxation is the subtle little shift or alignment issue in the structure of our spine and its effects on the neurological system. Now, what do you do if you have a subluxation? And the simplest answer is that we need to get that part moving. Now, this is what a chiropractor does when you come in and they make an adjustment to your spine. So they find that area that's not working and they make a very specific adjustment to that spine, which is a way of saying that we're introducing a force to get movement at a particular level in a particular direction. And then once you restore normal movement to that segment, because of how it stretches the paraspinal muscles that sit close to the spine, or how it changes the little nerve endings in those joints, it resets that segment, that neurological system, similar to rebooting your phone. You know, sometimes your phone is a little bit clunky, it's a little bit slow, and you just restart it and everything refreshes and works the way it should. So that's what happens when we make an adjustment to the spine, is it just resets how that area is working. Until next time, have a great day.